to everyone joining us from around the world. Whether you are just waking up, midway through your trading sections, or winding down for the night, welcome. On behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade teams, we are truly pleased to have you here with us for this global live stream sections. My name is Daisy, and I will be guiding you through this exciting 2-hour journeys as your host. Today live streams is not just a presentations, it's a conversations. This is a window into the interior room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firms in the industries. And of course, I'm not here alone. I'm joined by two remarkable guests who have shaped what WeMasterTrade represent today. Skilled traders, mentors, and role models within our communities. First, let me introduce the ever composed, always insightful owners. Welcome, owners.
Thank you so much. I'm Daisy. Hello everyone, and thank you for spending your time with us. I'm truly looking forward to today's session. There's so much to cover, not just about trading strategy or rules, but about the ecosystem that WeMasterTrade offer, from how you start, how you grow, to how you earn. This is the kind of platform that doesn't just fund trade, it builds traders.
Absolutely. And next to him is someone who brings sharp analysis and clarity to our chats and conversations. He is strategic, he is sharp, and he is a real thought in our trading space. Please welcome Ralph.
Thank you, Lacey, and hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most about today is that we are going to unpack everything, not just what we masterfully offer, but how traders can truly take advantage of each part of our system. From packages to promotions to scaling and long-term profit sharing. If you have ever had questions or even doubts, today is the day to ask.
And that's exactly what we're here for. Whether you are brand new to WeMasterTrade or already a part of our funded trader program, today live streams is going to give you the full pictures, not just the highlight reels. Over the course of the sections, we are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we are doing things differently from traditional brokers or prop firms. Now, I want to be clear, it isn't about self, it's about understanding. We want you to know what you are signing up for, what kind of structural support of your journeys, and how you can use that structure not just but scale.
And speaking of structure, we will begin by sharing the story behind WeMasterTrade, how we were formed as a funded project, not a broker, which is a very important distinction. Unlike brokers who profit from volume or loss, WeMasterTrade is built on the belief that your success is our success. We invest capital in traders, cover the risk for them, and share profit only when you do well. That's the foundation.
Exactly, and from how philosophy flows everything we offer, especially our trading packages, we will be discussing in detail. We'll blend the logic behind each one. What kind of trader they ever look at our package and thought, which one is right for me? Today we will answer that.
And more than that, we will also do a live comparison between packages. We will break down pricings, account size, maximum drawdown, consistency rules, and even payout side by side to help you make a fully informed decision. This is one thing to see number on the websites, it is another thing to understand the intention behind them.
Right, and once you understand the packages, the next question is always how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will move naturally into discussing trading rules, which honestly is one of the most important parts of today's sections. We will explain what the diagnostic limit is, how it's calculated, why it includes both closed and floating profit and loss, and how to avoid violating it, especially overnight. We will go into the maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and we will even address common misunderstandings about trade sizing and risk for trade policies.
And we're going to explain rules in isolation. We'll blend them in the context of live trading decision. We'll share some personal examples of mistakes I made when I first start trading under funded conditions and how I adjusted. Because rules remain restrict you, they there to protect you in the integrity of your growth.
And while we are on the topic of helping you suggest, we will be guiding you through our current promotion plans, including limited time discount codes, trader support campaigns, capital opportunities, and how to properly qualify and submit proof. We have had some amazing response to our promotion, but some confusions. So we will showing you exactly what to do step by step.
From there, we will transition to a discussion on our scale plan, which I personally think is one of the most underrated parts of WeMasterTrade offerings. Many people don't realize this, but we have a structured growth pathway in place. If you perform well consistently, you don't just get payouts, you actually unlock high capital tiers. It's not just about getting funding once, it's about evolving into a six-figure funding trader.
And speak of growth, one of the most powerful ways to build long-term income at WeMasterTrade is through our profit sharing model. This is the kind of what makes us different from rough firm. When you trade on a funded account and generate profit without breaking rules, we share that profit with you up to 90%. But there's more to it than just the percentage. We will plan the full payout cycle, ratio, and timeline today.
Now, I know many of you watching today aren't just trader. You are also educator, influencers, or people with large networks. That's why we're also taking time to explain our affiliate programs, and we will do it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how affiliate referrals are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts, including a detailed explanation of two referee rules and minimum funding conditions.
This is especially important because we want all our partners to feel confident and clear about their earnings. We have seen a huge growth in affiliate activity recently, and we want to ensure everyone is promoting responsibly, understanding the term, and building long-term income streams.
So, as you can tell, it's not just a surface level live streams. We are diving into everything: packaging, rules, promos, scale up packs, profit sharings, and affiliate opportunities, all with one purpose in mind: helping you make the most informed, empowered, and confident decision possible.
And we want it to be interactive, not just informative. So if you have any question at any point, please drop it in the chat. Our moderator are watching and we will answer as many questions live as we can. Your voice matters.
And if you're watching this on replay, don't worry, we will leave timestamp and summaries below, and you can always reach out to our team with any follow-up inquiries. Our support team is incredible and they really care about having traders succeed.
And to wrap up this welcome, I'd like to say WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, to create fair, structured, and scalable pathways for people around the world who are serious about trading as a profession, not a game. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you are exactly where you need to be. Let's dive into the journey together. And let's begin, and once again, welcome to the WeMasterTrade live stream. Thank you once again for being up today. Now, before we dive into packages, trading rules, and promotion mechanics, we want to take a moment to zoom out and offer you the full pictures of who WeMasterTrade really is, what we believe in, and why we built this platform the way we have. Because when you are putting your trust and your tradings into companies, understanding its philosophies isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is about the origins, intentions, and impacts. It's about how WeMasterTrade began, what value underpin the firm, and how those values translate into real tools and outcomes for traders like you. And to walk through that, I'm joined, as always, by two people who live and breathe the principle, owners and reps. Let's start at the beginning.
Thank you, Daisy. To truly understand WeMasterTrade, you need to understand why it was created. Unlike many platforms or brokers that evolve from traditional financial situations, WeMasterTrade was born with a purpose-driven mission to give a capable trader access to capital, regardless of their background, location, or financial situation. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. While we copy trade business name on signal sharing, investor network, and copy trading tech, WeMasterTrade was designed to serve a more focused vision to identify, support, and scale high potential traders, giving them a pathway of earn professionally without risking all their savings.
And it's important to note, WeMasterTrade is not a broker. That's not just a label, it's a fundamental difference. We don't profit from spreads or commissions. Our success is directly tied to the success of our traders. That's why everything we have built, from our instant funding packages to our profit sharing model, is structured with alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we give you the roadmap, and you bring the skill. But we also know that skill alone isn't enough, which is why one of our founding principles is education first. We don't want traders to blindly follow rules, we want them to understand the logic behind the structure. That's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a training ecosystem built to take you from beginner to consistently funded professional.
And thus, Academy is something special, which got ranging from introductory trading philosophies all the way to calibrations and multi-asset strategy designs. The WeMasterTrade Academy isn't just about theories, it's about the implementation. We will design the curriculum to match the real-world trading environments within WeMasterTrade, so what you learn, you can apply directly to your funded accounts. And to ensure that our system and content meet global standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to hold an ISO certification which confirms that our educational products and trader development programs meet rigorous international criteria for quality, structures, and learner engagement.
That certification is a big deal because it's our long-term commitment to developing traders, not just collecting fees in an industry where many college platforms come and go. WeMasterTrade has positioned itself with real operational stability, compliance framework, and internal accountability. We're not here for a session, we're here to help build careers.
And we have seen that commitment translate into real stories. If you visit our testimonial page, you will find traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all talking about how WeMasterTrade helped them not just earn more, but trade with purpose. They talk about passing challenges after years of struggling with retail brokers. They talk about finally being able to trade without the emotional burden of risking personal funds. We have had students become full-time traders, we have women re-enter the finance world after career breaks, and we have young professionals from underbanked regions finally access the market with a funded account. That's the impact, and that's what drives us.
And it doesn't stop there. The WeMasterTrade ecosystem is designed to grow with you. For those who want to stay engaged and up to date, we maintain a regularly updated blog sections where our teams of experts and educators share quickly insight, trading philosophies, breakdowns, market reactions, and platform updates. We believe that learning never ends, and we keep our trader informed. But let's also talk about the cultures. What makes WeMasterTrade different isn't just about the product offerings, it's the community mindset. We actively promote trader integrity, respectful competitions, and knowledge sharing. Whether you are in Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or engaging with us online support, you will see that we actually listen.
And that's big honestly here. In many platforms, the trader just a customer. At WeMasterTrade, the trader is a product. Your performance is right here, the business. Your voice helps the platform, and your consistency determine how far we can scale together. That mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we proud of.
And if you have ever doubted whether this part is real, whether a trading career is truly within reach, I encourage you to read the testimonial, take a look at our fund accounts, and connect with people who have gone through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results speak for themselves.
And to summarize, WeMasterTrade is a capital accumulator, a talent accelerator, and an education for trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo of trading assets, to build a system that rewards performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunities for traders around the world, regardless of their starting point. This is more than a platform, this is trading movement. And if you're here to ready to part of it, today live streams will show you everything you need to know. Thank you, owners and ref, for that depth and honest walkthroughs. Coming up next, we will to take these foundations and connect it directly to our acting offerings. That means we will be discussing all the different account packages as available as WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they are designed for, and what kind of results you can expect from it. Now that we explore who WeMasterTrade and the principles we stand for, it's time to move to one of the most essential parts of the live streams and an in-depth discussions on our account package. This is where it all begins for most traders, choosing the structures that's best aligned with their goals, their styles, and their current skill level. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about the dollar figures, we're talking about the frameworks. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway to work growth, and today we will walk you through all of them, what they offer, how the structures, and the most importantly, who they are designed for.
Exactly, AC. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we are built to distinct product lines for traders. The challenge package and the instant funding package. It's like include a variety of account size or configuration, because we know that trader will come with a different strength, risk appetite, and timeline.
Let's begin with the challenge model, a true phase evaluation system built for traders who want to prove their skills before being allocated capital. This structure is fair and has become the most popular route for new traders entering the WeMasterTrade ecosystem.
In the challenge model, you begin with a simulated account and your goal is to meet specific profit target while staying within restrict but reasonable risk parameter. There are 3 stages in total: phase 1, phase 2, and then the funded stage.
Take for instance our $10,000 challenge, a great starting point for traders who want to minimize upfront costs while building a track record. Let's break it down phase by phase.
In phase 1, you need to achieve an 8% profit target with $800 without reaching a 5% daily loss or 10% overall loss limit. You have unlimited time to achieve this. That key different many platforms. We don't pressure you in with deadline.
Once you pass phase 1, you will move to phase 2, where your profit target drops to 6%, that's $600. The risk rule remains the same, and here's something unique. In phase 2, you already start receiving a 30% profit share if you exceed the target.
Finally, one power phase are clear, you enter the funded account. When you trade with real capital, have no profit target, and your profit share jump to 90%. That's one of higher in the industry.
This account is ideal for newer traders or experienced traders who want to start with lower pressure and learn the system. If you're still refining your strategies or want to get a feel for WeMasterTrade risk framework before scaling, this is a perfect package to begin with.
Now, for those who are confident in their strategies and want to start with a large account size, we offer $25,000, $50,000, and $100,000 challenge package. The structure is similar to fee, the same 5% daily and 10% total lot limits, but the profit target scales are proportionary.
For example, in the 50,000 challenge, you will need to hit 4,000 in phase 1 and 3,000 in phase 2. While the targets are higher, the level rate remains the same, 1 to 100, giving you room to adjust position sizing.
So the 25,000 to 100,000 challenges are ideal for traders with more capital management experience, especially those looking to eventually scale into larger funding accounts. If you have already passed all the block challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is a good step up.
Every challenge packages come with a one-time fee. For example, just $45,000 for the $10,000 challenge. This fee is irrefundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things you don't go away, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount to start first. What if you don't want to choose a challenge at all, but instead want to access the real capital immediately and get paid based purely on results? That's where our instant funding package come into play.
And this is where WeMasterTrade truly sets itself apart. Our instant funding model is designed to give experienced distributed traders the chance to trade real capital from day one. No evaluation, no demo stages, just pure live trading backed by a structured, fair and transparent system.
And what makes it ever more accessible is that you can choose from several different account types depending on your style, preferences, and goal. Today, we will going to walk you through each of 5 main instant funding packages: standard, 51010, 510 euro, 51010 no BC, and customized. We compare the detail, but more importantly, we'll help you figure out which package is right for you.
And let me see the skins quickly. All of our instant funding packages give you a live trading asset from day one. That means no challenge phase, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and you are trading like capital. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, balance-based limits, scale-up plan toward 1 million, support for EAs, swing traders, cappings, and even XFD. Now, let's go pocket by pocket. As we go, owners and ref, I want you to jump with the real advice. Who should actually choose which ones and what kind of traders you even seen success with it?
Now let's start with the standard package. I always describe this one as the best range for traders who just want stability. You're getting up to 200,000 in capital with a very manageable 4% daily lot limit and 6% overall lot limit.
It's like that calm, steady account that doesn't push you to overtrade. And with the profit split up to 90%, there's serious earning potential even if you are taking a slow and steady approach.
And how about a commission?
Competitive across the board. Forex at $4 per lot, gold at $4 per lot, Indy at $1, stock at just $0.07 per lot.
And everything is allowed: nails trading, scabbing, waiting, holding, EAs, HFT, you name it.
So for the audience, if you are someone who trades regularly, understand your strategies, wants a full range of access, and play to the long game, this is sweet spot.
And it's perfect for intermediate to advanced traders who already know their edge but don't want to stress with a target-based challenge. And if you have ever had an account blow due to unrealistic rule, you will find the standard model refreshingly fair.
I always say it's to swing trader. The 4 or 6% risk profile gives just enough flexibility to hold multiple day positions, especially with weekend holding fully allowed.
Alright, moving over gears, let's talk about the 5-10-10 package. Same capital sellings up to $200,000. Now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall loss limits. Why does matter?
Well, that extra cushion is massive for traders who scale into positions or take multiple entries per seller. You have got more room to breathe, especially in high volatility markets.
And the profit target is here so also 10% with a live well with the risk window. Plus, you still get a full support for scaling EA new trading. It's very trader friendly.
This is best for day traders, especially those trading assets like NASDAQ or gold that move fast. If you have got tested in trading strategy and just need some risk bearing room, this is your package.
And also for traders who want structure but don't mind having that profit target. The clear milestone motivates some people, especially if they pay out originally.
Now here is personal favorites. The 5-10 euros. You get 5% dailies and 10% overall loss, but no profit targets. None, zero.
And that's a blessing for a high precision trader. You no longer chasing a number. You just focus on protecting equity and growing capital slowly and safely.
This one is loved by low frequency traders and snipers. If you enter 3 to 5 trades a week, this is your space. You are not penalized for patience, you are actually rewarded for it.
Veteran, swing trader, risk conscious trader, people who prioritize consistency over speed. If that's you, try here.
And let's be honest, not everyone wants to hit target. Some just want to trade well and scale cleanly. This is their home.
Now for the rule breakers, or rather, those who don't want to be evaluated on how even their profits are. The 5-10 and no PC or the profit consistency tracking, right?
Exactly, same 5 over 10 risk profile, but you are not required to keep your profit small. One big winning day is totally fine.
That's it. Trade copier are not allowed in this one. So if for a mental trader only, and you need to trade responsibly, but for aggressive trader who sometimes hit big spike, this is play.
It's perfect for high risk, high reward traders or anyone who has issue with consistency rule at other firm. You trade how you want, just keep it inside the drawdown box.
And last not but least, the customized package. This is WeMasterTrade saying, you know what you need and let's build it together.
You can adjust daily loss, overall loss to your liking. Plus, you can fund up to 400,000 and more than any other account.
It's premium, flexible and comes with all trading style allowed, including EA's new trading, weekend holding and XRP and more. And it's for top-tier professional as hedge fund traders, signal providers, high volume traders, anyone with a very specific structure in mind. This package let you build it.
I always say if you try almost other model and nothing quite fits, build your own blueprint with customized. That freedom is rare.
To sum up, every instant funding package we offer comes with a clear risk parameter, fair commissions, deep market access, and real profit potential. There are no time limits, and payout starts as early as 1 day in.
And no matter your strategy, scalping, swing, ego, or manual, there's an account that aligns with you. The key is picking the right one now, so you can start building consistency from the start.
And if you are ever unsure, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But the real secret, pick the account that fits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the biggest promise.
If not, we will walk you through exactly how to protect your accounts, avoid breaches, and understand the key risks and consistency rules that power our entire platform. Alright traders, now that you have seen the packages, let's talk about the parts that either make or break your accounts. That's right, it's time to dig into trading rules and how to actually stay compliant when you are funded. Because let's be honest, getting funded is exciting, but staying funded, this the game is really begin. And the numbers one recent trader lose their accounts is come down one to the daily lot limits.
Yes, the tragic daily loss is the one rule traders think they understand until it kicks them out of their account at 3:17 p.m. on a random Tuesday.
But here's the good news, when you understand how it really works, it becomes one of the best tools for risk control. So today, let's break it down from top to bottom.
So what's in the daily loss limits on so-called maximum daily loss?
It's the maximum account loss you allow it incur in both floating and close trader. On any single trading day, if your equity fall below that limit, even for a moment, your account is automatically closed.
And the key thing here is the daily loss is calculated from the high up of either your balance or your equity at the start of the trading day. That's a really important distinction and it's what trips a lot of people up.
Let's walk through a live symbol. Imagine this starts of day 5. Your balance is $105,000. Your equities, however, is higher, $107,000 because of open floating profit.
If you're on a 4% daily lot limit, we calculate it of the higher number. It means 10,107,000.
So 4% of 107,000 is around 4,000. That means your equity for the rest of the day can drop below 102,000 or boom, the account is gone.
Right, and I think it's important to point this out. The system isn't waiting for a close, it's real time. Even if your trade is floating loss and you haven't closed it yet, if your equities dip below that threshold for even a second, that's it.
Now let's reverse it. Say it's the start of day 7, your balance is 100,000, but your equity is 99,000 because your open trades are slightly in loss.
Since balance is higher, we pay the 4% on initial balance, so 4,000.
So now your equity must stay above $96,000 throughout the days. If it drops to $95,999, auto liquidation kicks in. No warnings, no margin call.
The system will send a market order to close on trades. Everything liquidates. Your account is disabled and you can't trade again unless you purchase a new bucket.
And here the kicker, the auto close happens when the system directs the ratio will close it. But due to market fluctuation, your final profit and loss might look good than the actual ratio. That's because the system executes the closure based on price listed at time of liquidation.
So even if you only intend to take a $3,900 loss, once slippage price in goes or ends as DAQ and suddenly it's a $4,200. That's why we say don't write the X.
Alright, let's talk about how to avoid violating this rule because this is where the pro mindset kicks in.
First tip, know your buffer. Never plan trade to take you right up to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 50% room below that the mark loss, especially in the volatile market.
Tip 2, check your equity, not just your balance. I can't stress this enough. Most of traders stare at their balance all day. But if your floating loss is dragging your equity, you are heading toward a violation.
Tip 3 is use dashboard or tracker. Inside WeMasterTrade, we provide a risk bar that shows you your live lot status. View them, check them, and don't rely on memory.
Also, while trading after a big loss early in the day, if you lost 3% in the first hour of London session, maybe it's time to stop and reflect, not try to reverse and trade your way back up.
Another big one, trade smaller during news hour. If you are trading gold during NDP with full loss size, you are practically begging to break the daily loss rule, cut position size, and ride past volatility.
What are the top rookie mistakes you see when it comes to daily loss?
Number one, over leveraging. Trader opening position that are 5, 6, or 7% of their account thinking they close quickly, but if the trade turns red fast, it's really too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposures. If you hold 3 trades overnight and wake up to a 60 big gap, the daily loss could be hit before you even open your eyes.
In the third, assuming that close trades are all that matter, they are not. Remember, equities include both floating and closed positions. The total equities life is your sport.
I always say this to new trader, the daily loss rule isn't your enemy, it's your account error. It's designed to protect you from doing something irreversible.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only within the box. And if you learn to trade inside the box, you will last longer than 90% of the market.
And once let's know, this isn't about rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust that you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is there to protect that trust on the both sides. And this is all about the daily loss rules. We will taking a short break and we will arrive back soon.